Welcome. This tutorial will provide you with a step-by-step demonstration on how to add and modify appointments in your calendar, make an appointment reoccurring, and finally you will learn how to attach a file to an appointment in your calendar, all using Microsoft Outlook 2010. This computer-based learning is brought to you by TS Technology, empowering people and business through technology. Let's start by opening Microsoft Outlook. Once open, click the Calendar folder from your navigational pane. On the left side of your screen, you will see a monthly calendar. This calendar is useful to pick the exact day you would like to schedule the appointment. For this example, we will want to locate and click February 1st. To get to the next month, click the right triangle and then click on February 1. The February 1st daily appointment calendar will now appear in the middle section of your screen. For our example today, we will be scheduling a staff meeting that starts at 9 a.m. and ends at 11 a.m. So I'm going to click in the 9 a.m. time slot and type staff meeting. As you can see, this meeting currently starts at 9 and ends at 9:30. We need to extend the ending time to 11 o'clock. To do this, position your mouse pointer on the bottom border of the appointment and drag the mouse to the 11 a.m. time slot. Your appointment is now 2 hours in length. Appointments often change, so let's say the appointment still needs to be 2 hours, but it needs to start at 10 a.m. and end at 12. Simply position your mouse pointer inside the appointment and drag it down to start at the 10 a.m. time slot. Staff meetings are a good example of what we call reoccurring appointments, which means this appointment will repeat every day, week, month, or year. To avoid having to click, let's say, every first Tuesday and retype staff meeting and extend the time, Microsoft Outlook has a reoccurring tool that takes care of this for you. This tool is located on the Calendars Tool Appointment tab in the Options group. When you click the Reoccurring button, an appointment reoccurrence screen will display, which contains options for repeating this appointment. For our example, we are going to keep the start and end time the same, but change the reoccurrence pattern to monthly. Because this specific day, the 1st, may land on a weekend, we will want to further change the pattern to have the appointments the first Tuesday of every month. This ensures that your staff meeting will not accidentally be scheduled on a weekend and will stick to the same day of the week. In the Range section of the screen, you can specify when the reoccurring appointment should end. When you have finished making changes, click the OK button and you will be returned to your calendar. The last order of business I would like to cover is how to attach a file to your calendar appointment. For this example, our staff meeting will be held at the Crowne Plaza Conference Center. You have a document containing directions to this center on your computer and want to make sure the directions are attached to the calendar item. To add more details to the appointment, we need to open the appointment window. Do this by giving the appointment a double click. Now that you are in the window, click in the location field and type Crowne Plaza Conference Center. To attach a file, click the Insert tab and click the Attach File button located in the Include group. With the Insert File screen now open, browse your PC to locate the file you wish to attach. After you locate the file, give it a double click. You will automatically be returned to your appointment where you will see the attached file. Don't forget, go back to the Appointments tab and save and close to ensure all changes take place. I hope you found this tutorial helpful to schedule and modify appointments in your calendar, make an appointment reoccurring, and in attaching a file to a specific appointment in your calendar. To see more online training videos provided by TS Technology, please visit our website at www.ts-tech.com. Thank you for watching.